Best Supercars 2018. The 10 best supercars for sale today offer performance, thrills and stunning style. Having a supercar on the drive is an excellent way to show the world you are doing well for yourself, but having one of the best supercars on your drive does not only that, but shows petrolheads you have excellent taste in cars. Affordable and cheap these cars are not, but in return for your hard-earned money they offer you exceptional performance, luxurious materials, and the power to turn heads at 50 paces. However, aside from badge prestige, part of a supercar's price is rarity. But with plenty of manufacturers making supercars, you'll have plenty of choice should you decide to take the plunge into automotive exotica. Best hypercars on sale. Supercars come from all kinds of manufacturers. Established brands like Ferrari, Porsche, McLaren, and Lamborghini have been producing supercars for years, but now they're forced to line up against rivals like the Lexus LFA, BMW i8 and Noble M400. Whoever makes them, all supercars have fearsome price tags and cost the same as a League One footballer to run, but the trade-off is scintillating performance and the capacity to get the adrenaline flowing. It's not unusual for a supercar to top 200 miles per hour these days, and 0 to 60 times of under 3 seconds are becoming commonplace. Best used sports cars. Experiencing that level of acceleration is a thrill that never fades for a supercar's owner, but the enjoyment that supercars create for those who can't afford them is plain to see too. That's because we can all enjoy their outlandish and beautiful bodywork and spine-tingling exhaust notes. In fact, there's not much that stirs the soul of a petrolhead more than seeing and hearing a Ferrari, Lamborghini, or McLaren supercar rocketing past. Our top 10 features supercars that really do tick all of the boxes. They are powerful, packed with tech, stunning to look at and, importantly, still great to live with day to day. We think the car that manages this best is the superb McLaren 720s. However, Porsche, Lamborghini, Aston Martin and Ferrari are also storied names in the supercar world, and their cars play a major part in this list. Top 10 Best Supercars 2018. To read about each car in the list, you can click on the links below, or navigate using the buttons on the top left of this page.